Hello guys, today our topic is the theory of abrogation. Rules as to repealing text. One text is said to be repealed by another when the two are said to be conflicting with each other. It means that the meaning of one tends to be negate the meaning or the other, provided both relate to same subjects matter. For example, when there are two traditions, both of isolated nature and both of identical meaning, we have to decide which is more acceptable. In such a case, the general rule is that the later in time prevails over the earlier. The purpose and object of repeal to begin with reason of repeal is that what may be good for the people of one age may not be good for the people of another age. As regard its purpose, it is stated that since Islamic law believes in convenience, the purpose is convenience to the community and the progressive implementation of Islamic principle, and to blend these theories and principles suiting the circumstances of the time. For question on repeal, let us know now take up the four possibilities in connection with the theory of repeal. These are the repeal of one tradition by another, the repeal of one Quranic text by another, the repeal of a tradition by Quranic text, and the repeal of Quranic verse by traditionary text. As regard the question whether one tradition has been repealed by another, there is almost an agreement amongst the summer the Prophet, peace be upon him, in one of the earlier precepts condemned the practice of visiting the graves of deceased, but later one is believed to have allowed the people to do so. The second question, whether theory could be the repeal of one Quranic text by another Quranic text, the answer is again in the affirmative. To quote Dr. Mehm Mesani, there are about 20 instances in the Quranic on this question, which are most favorable in Madani revelation. There is consensus amongst jurists that one Quranic text could, and in fact there are instances, repeal the other. In Surah Baqarah, it is laid down that one should make provision by will for his parent and other relatives, but as far as it sanctions bequest in favor of one's year, the verse in question stands obligated in implication by verses in Surah Nisa, according to which parents are and certain other near relations of deceased are allocated certain shares in the inheritance. There are differences in Quran about the question of what forbidden and what is permissible. They are with regard to the use of bad effects. Later people were asked rather want, not touch, and commentaries on the Quran is an indirect way nullifying the effect of earlier verses on the subject in Quran by replacing it later with a more concrete and powerful expression. Thank you guys. That's the end of our topic. If you have any query regarding this, you can ask me.